कवीनाम् उपमश्रवस्तमम् ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणां ब्रह्मणस्पत आनः शृण्वन्तिभिः सीदसादनम्।
Vedic mathematics is an ancient system of maths. All the rules and techniques used to solve the mathematics are from Atharvana Veda. There are 16 sutras and 13 upasutras using which you can solve any kind of mathematics, starting from basic arithmetics, algebra, trigonometry, geometry, calculus and conics. The text in Vedas is called Shruti. Shruti means that which can be heard. Our ancient sages transferred this knowledge of Vedas orally from gurus to disciples. In course of time, these Vedas were lost until Sri Bharati Krishna Tirtha Ji, he is Shankaracharya of Puri, rediscovered Vedic mathematics. He also wrote 16 books, each on one sutra. Unfortunately, only the first volume is available and all of the rest are lost. So this is the background of Vedic mathematics. India has given a lot to the world, including Vedic mathematics. Foreigners come to India just to learn Vedic mathematics and they are also applying it in their daily life. We Indians should be really proud of this. Being Indians, we should also learn Vedic mathematics. Today I am here to share my experiences of Vedic mathematics with you all. Thank you. Sri Bharati Krishna Tirtha Ji's granddaughter, who's in her mid-80s, after knowing that I'm conducting Vedic mathematics classes, she visited my class just to bless me. This is one of the most memorable moment which I cherish till now. Elderly priest, after knowing the hidden meaning of this mantram, the Gananantva, a mantram from Rig Veda, after I decoded and interpreted the exact meaning of the words, in his words, he said that I've been chanting this mantram all my life, but never knew it had another meaning which was more relevant to mathematics. He actually thanked me for showing a new perspective and also blessed me with more success. So these are some of the experiences which I always cherish, and I feel nice about it. A retired chemistry professor, she once told me that they have a family history of Alzheimer's. So she said that she wanted to learn Vedic mathematics just to keep her brain active and prevent Alzheimer's. So this is a practical application of Vedic mathematics, the benefits of Vedic mathematics. We have been talking like it is helpful in the left side, right side brain improvement. So these are all the things which Vedic mathematics knowingly helps people. Mathematics, it's not only fast and easy to learn, but it's also very accurate. Vedic mathematics also helps in the development of a right side and left side of the brain. It also improves concentration and memory. It also helps in the improvement of development of analytical skills, cognitive skills, creativity, logic and reasoning. In our ancient times, our sages used Vedic mathematics in the construction of temples, altars and yajna-vedikas. They could, based on the planetary position and position of the celestial bodies, they could predict future. They could compute Panchangam, the Indian Vedic calendar, based in order to track the number of deities, thousands and thousands of deities we have. They introduced the number system. So in short, our sages used Vedic mathematics in the field of construction, astronomy, astrology, physics, chemistry, biology, medicine, and engineering. In the modern days, anybody who's preparing for any competitive exams, Vedic mathematics is very beneficial, as it is very fast and easy to learn. You save a lot of time, and at the same time you can use to answer some other questions. NASA has always been very inquisitive about Vedas and Sanskrit. They gave a lot of importance to Vedas and Sanskrit. Whenever they conducted any experiments, they compared the results with the Vedas. And to their surprise, they always found the answers to be accurate. For example, the distance between sun and the moon, speed of the light, and also the value of pi. Dr. Rick Briggs, he's a NASA scientist, and his team, they are doing a lot of research in the field of Vedic mathematics. Vedic mathematics is also adopted by electronics industry, artificial intelligence, and also software programming. Recently, Puri Shankaracharya's Vedic mathematics helped ISRO scientists with the successful launch of Chandrayaan 2. So these are the modern applications of Vedic mathematics.